Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson, and today we're going to be talking about the pronouns somebody and something. So we use some in positive sentences. I usually eat some bread with pasta. We also use some for offers and requests. Would you like some tea? That's an offer. And can I have some bread? That's a request. And you can use some without a noun. So coffee, yes, I'd love some, meaning the coffee. And then somebody wrote graffiti on the wall, means we don't know who did it. There's something in my eye, that's when I don't know what is in my eye. And I want to book a hotel somewhere in Eastern Europe. And that's when we don't know exactly where in Eastern Europe. All right, so now complete the sentences using something, someone, somebody, or somewhere. And remember that someone and somebody mean the same, so some of these might have more than one answer. You can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Oh, I spilled something on my shirt. There must be somewhere in the neighborhood where I can buy dried fruit. I'm thinking of taking my vacation somewhere in the Caribbean this year. Someone or somebody is making a lot of noise next door. Can you recommend someone or somebody to teach me Spanish? I can't open this drawer. I think something is stuck in it. The elevator is broken and it has someone or somebody is in it. I think Namibia is somewhere in the south of Africa. Darling, why don't we go somewhere for a nice meal on Saturday? Do you know somewhere we can buy a new laptop? Could you please recommend something without sugar? You look hot and tired. Would you like to drink something? Can I ask you to do something for me? I need a dress for a party this weekend. Do you have something in blue? We don't have a room with a balcony, but I can offer you something with a sea view. Can someone or somebody change $100 into smaller notes? Can you recommend somewhere I can study quietly? And do you know someone or somebody who can translate Russian to French? All right, so this is just some review. In positive sentences, we use someone or somebody for people, something for things, and somewhere for places. In negative sentences, we use anyone or anybody for people, anything for things, and anywhere for places. And positive verbs plus no, we use no one and nobody for people, nothing for things, and nowhere for places. All right, this time you're going to use someone, anyone, or no one to fill in the blanks. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, there's someone at the door. Can you please answer it? Unfortunately, Gerardo doesn't know anyone who can help us. I think Fredo knows someone who works in that office building. There's no one at home right now. We can come back later. My computer was stolen last night, and I'm sure Kim knows something about it. Ouch, I have something in my eye. It hurts. Terry wants to make moussaka, but she doesn't have anything to make it with. We are planning to do something on the weekend. Do you want to join us? Now we'll use somewhere, anywhere, or nowhere. Where are you going? Nowhere. I'm just going for my daily walk. I'm sure there's a gas station somewhere around here. Hey, I have an idea. Let's go somewhere and have a drink. Did you travel anywhere interesting last month? And we use anywhere because this is a question instead of somewhere. All right, in some cases, any, anything, and anybody have a meaning that is close to all or everything or everyone. So I need some help. It doesn't matter who helps me, anyone can help me. I need something to drink. It doesn't matter which drink. I could drink anything. And I'm so hungry, it doesn't matter where we eat. Any restaurant will be okay. So anybody could help me. I could drink anything. Where do you want to go? Anywhere but here. It doesn't matter where we go. And any restaurant will be okay. All right, now you're going to complete the sentences with one of the words from the boxes. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, I'm not inviting anyone from my class to my birthday. Turn on a light. I can't see anything in here. Can I ask you to read something for me? It's in French and I don't understand it. I would like to introduce you to someone I used to work with. We have been on this road for 3 hours. It feels like we are going nowhere. There's no one who sings better than her. She is the best. Do you know how many questions I got correct on the exam? None. A disaster. But doctor, there must be something we can do. No one came to volleyball training today, just me. Would you like some coffee? I just made a fresh pot of it. There isn't any reason to stay here. Let's go home. The police are asking if people saw anything strange in the street last night. A man, I think. Actually, probably this would be someone strange. Or anyone strange, sorry. So, anyone strange in the street last night. A man, I think. He has no way to get home. Can you drive him home in your car? That guy thinks he knows something about everything. What a know-it-all. It's Peter's birthday tomorrow, so we need to buy him something. I believe that alien life exists somewhere out there in space. Don't ask Todd, he has no idea. Ask Rhonda, she knows something about how to paint and draw. I've been at college for 2 years, but sometimes it feels like I haven't learned anything. Don't worry about your keys. They will turn up somewhere, I'm sure of it. How much money did you make? None. Or you might even say nothing. I didn't sell it. I heard a noise. It's nothing, just the wind blowing outside. Yossi ate the entire pizza. I didn't get any. How can you say that you don't have anything to wear? I can see at least 10 suits in your wardrobe. People say that someone was killed in this house. Dawn rented an apartment, but she has no furniture yet. Okay, students, the exam starts in 2 minutes. Any questions? Carl invited us to dinner. We should take something for dessert. Apple pie. I just wish that Anita and Dean would do something. They can't give up. How many questions after this one? None. It's the last one. All right, so we're going to talk about a few more uses in English where the adjective comes after the noun. So Vicky is my dearest friend, so I'm going to buy her something special for her birthday. Did you meet anyone interesting at camp? So normally in English, the adjective comes before the noun, but here um, it comes after. So here something is the pronoun and special is the adjective, and anyone is the pronoun, interesting is the adjective. All right, so we can use all of these with an adjective. So where are you going for your vacation? Nowhere new, the same place as last year. All right, now use something, someone, anything, etc. plus an adjective. So I want to eat something different. I'm tired of eating sandwiches every day. These people are so boring. Why can't I meet anyone interesting? You watch the same TV program over and over. You should watch something new. What do you think he's talking about? Nothing important. He's a gossip. We don't have anything healthy in the fridge, just sugary junk food. Let's eat somewhere cheap tonight. How about the pizza restaurant? Your kitchen is disgusting. There's nothing clean in here. Tidy it up. Please think before you speak. It would be great to hear something intelligent come out of your mouth. And then we can use all of these plus the infinitive form of the verb. So Jack doesn't have anyone to talk to. I want something to drink. There's nothing to do here in winter. So to talk, to drink, to do are all infinitives. The infinitive is just the basic form of the verb when there is to in front of it. All right, so we're going to use that construction to complete these sentences. So I have something to tell you. Call me when you get home tonight. Dad, I'm so hungry. Is there anything to eat? We will take the bus because there is nowhere to park. And can you recommend somewhere to go for good French food? And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.